Have you ever considered the possibility that I'm giving the horse singing lessons too?
What?
Oh yes, I teach horses very differently from how I teach women.
Oh, I was wondering why my singing never sounded like yours.
I have also taught him the classic phantom movie method of seduction. Show her, Buttercup.
But I need to exercise outside for muscular stability.
Just do it!
Fine.
So soft, so smooth, this is sweet seduction. I'm so great at pushing all your buttons. Let me blow your mind with these melodies sublime. I'm a sexy prince with all these cool ass lines. Take pleasure in the screeching of my pride.
Okay! I think you got the wrong idea of what made the Phantom sexy.
What do you mean?
Yeah, come on, this is pretty hot.